Hey guys, so today I am showing you this summer makeup look right here. I think it turned out really pretty, and this whole entire look is Drugstore also. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I already did one eye off camera, so now I'm going to show you guys this eye. And I am first going to use, as always, my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer and my e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow and single eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques, I think this is, yeah, the shading brush, and I am going to set the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette, and mine's broken. Well, the top is broken. And a bunch of the colors are used because I love this palette so much. So I'm going to start off by taking the color Heat. These are like perfect shade names, by the way, for this look. I don't know, it was just perfect. So yeah, I'm going to take this color Heat. It's like a dark reddish, like burnt orange. It's a very interesting color, and I'm going to pack this on my outer corner and into the crease. Just a little bit. I don't want to go too high up into the crease, so I'm trying to keep it very low. But yeah. Oh, and this is the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. I'm going to use the color Summer right here. Like, what's up with the perfect shade names? And I'm using the Morphe JH33 brush. It's just a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna apply that in the crease, kind of on top of that Heat color, just to blend it out a little bit. So kind of pack and then take a little bit more and blend it. Then I'm going to go in with the color Solar right here, using the Morphe M124 brush to blend out the orange. So I'm just going to go on top of, like, the very tip top of my eyelid with this to blend on top of the orange. I need to intensify that orange. I'm just like going back and forth with the colors and blending everything. Always checking if my camera is stopped recording or not. And I'm going to go in with this color. I'm going to use this color Candy right here. And you wouldn't think that these would look good together, but they actually really do. It's like a beautiful magenta color. And I'm going to use my Morphe, this is the M421 brush. And I'm going to take a lot of that candy color, like really dig my brush in there and get a lot on it. And then I'm not even going to tap off yet. And I'm going to spray it with this Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And it like has little shimmers in it, so it's going to help make the color even more shimmery. And I just spray the brush with that. Oh no, whoopsies, I'm skipping something. I need to cut my crease or my lid. So I'm going to use these same things again that I used to prime, and I'm going to just take some of that putty eye primer. Now I have a brush ready and I'm not even using it. So I'm going to cut the crease with this. So I'm just like adding a sticky base, an extra sticky base for these shadows. Now I'm going to go in with the candy color and I'm going to pack that on top of that e.l.f. primer on the like more inner part of the lid, and then bring it towards the center. Go over that with this Morphe M124 brush and that color Heat again. And I'm gonna pack that on this outer lid portion. Now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. And I'm going to use the Revlon photoready pore reducing primer. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, and mine is in Fair Glow. And I'm just going to apply some of that to get a nice glowy look to the skin. I love doing this. So pretty. I'm going to use my NYX Born to Glow foundation. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, as always, and blend this in. I'm going to use the Born to Glow concealer as well. And then I'm going to use my cream contour palette. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. cream contour palette and my e.l.f. angled contour brush. And then just blend it out with my sponge. And I got this new powder the other day, and it's the Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder. This is the Sheer Envy Loose Hydrating Powder. It looks like a pretty good shade for me, actually. Yes, I'm actually going to use something other than Maybelline Fit Me. Crazy, huh? But it's supposed to feel like almost like water on the skin when you apply it. So we're going to test that. So I'm going to take a little bit on my sponge like I always do. Use it under the eye. Oh wow, it definitely does feel that way. It really does feel like water when you put it on the face. It feels like you're putting a liquid on, not a powder. Because it's so cooling. Wow, that's amazing. I don't know what my camera did, but I just used my Wet n Wild bronzer in Ticket to Brazil and my Morphe JH02 brush, and I just bronzed up my cheeks with that. And then for blush and highlighter, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette, and I'm using a color that I've never used actually before, and that is a coral color. So I'm going to use this because it matches the eyes like super well, I feel like, today. So I'm going to give it a shot. I'm using the Morphe JH04 brush. Whoa, very pigmented. Yeah, it looks so pretty, wow. I've had this palette for a while now, and I just haven't really used this color on myself, but it's very pretty and it matches this eye look so much. For highlighter, I'm using this color right here, Glisten. It's this very beautiful golden highlight. It's so blinding and beautiful. I'm going to put that on kind of like my upper cheekbones, but I'm not really putting it on my cheeks where I would apply my blush because I'm trying to get like a lifted effect. So I always just keep it right here. Look how blinding that is. It's so pretty. And I'm going to use just this random Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush and go straight down my nose with that to get to kind of keep my nose contour that I did with the cream contour palette. I'm going to take that same highlighter and put that in my inner corner to highlight. And it just looks so good with these other colors. It's so pretty. I'm going to do my brows, and I'm using my e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush. just filling in my brows with that. This blue on cream. That doesn't make any sense, Chelsea. And then I'm going to set my brows with my e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara, because these brows are already harsh enough. I don't need any more color. And I'm going to set my face with my Wet n Wild Rose setting primer water, and this really helps make the skin extra hydrated, so I've been using it all the time so I can get as much hydration in my skin as possible, and I have been loving it. So I'm just going to spray my face with this. I already did part of this eye off camera, so now I'm going to use my LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and this one is in Screamin'. I'm going to put this on in my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara. I'm going to apply my lashes, so I'm going to use my Ardell Lift Effect lashes, and these ones are in the style 742. They're really beautiful, and I'm going to apply them with my Kiss Lash Glue Liner. Okay, and then lashes are on. So now for lips, I found this perfect nude lip that it's just so perfect with the eye look today. So it's this Milani Color Statement lipstick in Nude Cream. I think I just randomly bought this at some point, but it's like a warm toned, like kind of like lipstick. It's kind of like a coral lip, I think. I've never seen anything like it, and it's so pretty. Well, I've never used anything like it. But I just randomly bought this at one point, and now it looks so perfect with this look. Like, it ties in with like the pink and the orange and the yellow. Just everything works together perfectly. Smooth. And then I'm gonna go over top with this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. And just a perfect clear gloss. The completed makeup look. It turned out really pretty, and it's so perfect for summertime. I really love it. So it kind of reminds me of Sunset a little bit, of Sunset makeup a little bit, but yeah, I really love it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.